today we're doing another rocket fuel experiment. This time we're doing a liquid state rocket fuel. The last time we did this was a solid state rocket fuel. That was the one outside where it burned the lawn and the boy had to run. This time, and that has a lot of thrust but cannot be controlled. With liquid state, it doesn't have as much thrust, but the fuel can be controlled in a rocket form, so you can just burn off as little or as much as you want. So today is liquid state in our quest for long-range rocket fuel success. So boy, tell everybody what we have here that we're going to use to create our liquid state rocket fuel.
This is some hydrogen peroxide and some yeast.
That's right. And this is going to be our vessel, just this mason jar with a little 1/8 inch hole on the top of the lid, and your basic no frills piece of uncooked ziti. Look through that, boy. You see anything in there? I see a boy through that hole. All right, so first we're going to fill the jar about 3/4 or so with the hydrogen. How about doing us a dance, boy? Sing us a song.
Why?
Entertainment. All right, there we go. And of course, what do we have, boy, that we never hoped that we have to use?
The fire extinguisher.
Fire extinguisher. We still have one left. We still need to get a few more.
Yeah.
All right, with the yeast, remember how much yeast we're putting in there, boy?
A third of it.
We're going to put in a half a teaspoon. Now, once we pour this in and stir it, we really got to get moving quick. And then once we light the ziti on fire, we'll turn off the light so you can see the flame. Ready, boy?
Yep.
Pour that in. Stir that up. Get rid of that. It's already starting to react. Oh, we need the flat end. Oh, that's not the flat end. Well, it was a flat end until we drilled a hole through the top and made the top of this lid not flat anymore. Okay, good. Now, I'll light it on the fire, boy, and you turn off the lights. Ready? Go. Oh, turn on the lights. Fell over. There we go. Hold on a second. Turn off the lights. It's starting very slowly. There we go. Now we have the rocket plumage, and even with the lights turned off, unfortunately, it's hard to see. But there it is. There is the liquid rocket fuel. Now this will not explode. You can put the lights on, boy. This will not explode like the solid state ones will. However, this has very little thrust or power. It's just controlled. So eventually we're going to need a combination of the solid state fuel and the liquid state fuel for thrust and control. So we successfully created the solid state fuel. We successfully created the liquid state fuel, although this is more controlled, less exciting, no explosion.
Yeah.
Next, we'll try a couple more experiments with both.
Yep.
And then we'll try a hybrid state fuel and put in a real rocket.
Yep.
What do you have, everybody? What do you have to say to everybody about this? Nothing? All right. That's it for this one.